Joyce, who's sitting right over there. Joyce Grace, who flew all the way up from Ohio. And I told her about this next song, and it's called the Cuckoo Clock. I really did leave the Cuckoo Clock in Ohio. So I wrote a song about it, and she said, well, she said, I think it's better that you have the song than the Cuckoo Clock. There goes the cuckoo clock. I just heard the same tick-tock every day as time would slip away. That sound would never stop inside the cuckoo clock until he calls and beckons me to play. The wheels inside my head were spinning all around. I looked down and my feet were barely on the ground. Nobody knows I need to be unwound. Appeared the moving bird. He needed to be heard. My metaphor of childhood will return. Like a rock. I left the cuckoo clock. There was that strange tick-tock. How could I know that I would run away? That bird would always rock inside the cuckoo clock. Turned me around and told me I should stay. And the wheels inside my head were spinning all around. Looked around, my feet were barely on the ground. Nobody knows I need to be unwound. That cuckoo never stops. A memory to unlock, to reminisce and find my youth again. Find my youth again.